Okay, so the next section I want you to be looking on your websites for is the accuracy. So I want you to be able to answer these following questions. How up to date and accurate is the source? Look for the date the article was written. Does the information seem current? So what I'm looking for really is there a date in which the article was created? Now, one of the convenient things about animals is that information usually doesn't change that much year to year. It's not like the latest trends in technology or medicine or something that information will change rapidly. But that being said, it is important to find out, especially if your animal might be an endangered species. The last time that somebody wrote something about your animal, things might have been a little different. So you're going to want to look for a date on when your article was created. So you might check the top of the page underneath the title. If there's an author who wrote it, it might be nearby there. It might be right above the text. It might be somewhere off on the side. So you're going to have to kind of look around. Now, on this article, when I kept scrolling down at the bottom, after the comments, there was this area down here that says first published 5th December of 2008, last updated 9th of January in 2017. That is very convenient. Okay? That means that if this information was updated in January of 2017, then it's relatively current. So what I would be writing in this box is going to be, what did I just find? Okay. So for this one, the information was last updated in January 2017. Okay. So the big question is that good enough? Well, you kind of have to think about your topic, but for an animal, I would say that seems relatively up to date. Now, on some articles that you look at, they won't have a date. So I would write down that I couldn't find a date. You are going to need to be kind of looking to see, does the information that's being shared, does that seem to match how current it is on other sites? And this is where one reason why you might want to double check and look at multiple places is that if the information that you're finding about your animal doesn't seem to might be something that was not as current on other websites, then you might want to address that. So for example, let's say that you are choosing a topic involving like elephants. And if they still talk about elephant tusks being fine to harvest by multiple countries, you might think, this might be older information because many countries have banned ivory sales for hunting elephants. Or maybe if it's something where your animal is commonly poached from hunters, and maybe they've changed the laws, and you find that out on another website. So you might even go back and say, you know what, after further analysis looking at other information from other sites, this does seem like it's a little behind the times. So you're going to have to write out as much as you can about how up to date or if it seems current or not. January 2017, I would say that that's relatively current, so that's what I'm going to put in my website evaluation.